Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Pratham, and in today's video we are going to build a to-do list app using React plus Vite. So as you can see on my screen, we have built a task master where we have it will show that we have a dashboard for showing our total task, completed task, pending task, and overdue. So let's see how this works. So first thing, if you have any work, you have to create your task. So I'll add the name as assignment. So mathematics assignment of calculus. So priority, if it is like if the date is today or tomorrow, keep it as high, and due date you can select as tomorrow Wednesday, and time, at what time you have to submit, 9. I'll select as 9 o'clock. Okay. After this, reminder time you can set. Reminder time I'll set today by you can select like 4 o'clock. Yes, something like 4 o'clock you can set the reminder, so that will remind you. Add task. So once the task is added, you can see the total task is 1 and you have not completed it, so it is pending. So you can have that, and suppose if the time overlaps, it will show in overdue column. Suppose if you have completed, it will show in completed column. So how to check that? So in the task section you can come here. If you click on this means you have completed. So once you click on this, it means it completed. Again, if you come to your dashboard, so you can see like that time it was in the pending section, now the pending is 0 and the completed is 1. Same way, suppose if there is any overdue, it will show in the overdue. Suppose if I want to show you that, I'll type as A1 assignment 1 medium, and I'll select today's date only, and the time what I'll keep is 1 9 yeah 9:39 I'll keep, and this one reminder at 9:38 I'll add task. So you can see the overdue, since the time has passed the our what we have set, it is showing in overdue. Suppose if you want to delete this thing, like I want to delete this thing, or if you want to edit, you can click on this edit thing and you can edit at any time. Suppose else, no, I don't want to edit, I just want to delete. If you want to delete the thing, like there is a delete button given, if you click on that, the task will be deleted, and total task again it will be 1. So this is what we are going to build in today's session. For that, first thing what we have to open is our Visual Studio Code. So please open the Visual Studio Code in your laptop. So once you are done with that, first thing what we need to do is we have to create a folder. Create a folder in your thing, like I'll create as new, I'll give as to-do list, and I'll open this folder. So once you open this folder, we need to open the terminal. Yeah. So here we have to write the comments for creating the project. So first thing is, since I mentioned we are going to create with the Vite, I'm typing as npm create Vite at latest dot hyphen template react. So it is asking the package name. I'm going to tell to-do list. Here I'm going to select react and the variant as JavaScript. So once that is done, you can see the next prompt will be given by visual in the terminal itself. Copy and paste that. It will take some time for installing the node packages and all, so we have to wait for that. Yeah, So it is now running in the port number 5147. Just click on that and see whether it is working fine. Yes, the Vite plus React is working fine. Now what's next? So the next part is control C. So make some items. So we have to create some items inside this. So I'm going to create new item type. Directory path is src. Inside src I want a folder name component, pages, hooks and utils, and -force. I'm going to, so folders are created. So you can see the folders are created. So once this is done, next part what we have to do, we have to create two files here, that is tailwind.config.js. So I'll click on this and I'll name it as I'll delete this. Tailwind.config. One file is this. One more you have to create as post css.config. Yes. So once this is done, you can just copy this code in your tailwind.css. So this is a very simple code. So you are telling that type import tailwind css and you are connecting it to your HTML path. So your here is your HTML and your src paths. So once this is done, we have to open our post css config.js. Here we have to link our tailwind post css plugin. We have to give this plugin. So just copy this. So once you are done with that, open your package.json. I'll close this right now. In your package.json, it will show like this. So remove this completely and copy this. So remove that completely and just copy this. Wherever the changes are needed, you can just pause my video and you can copy it. Done till here. Then we have to go with our HTML thing, index.html. So this is the basic structure what we have. So we have to replace it. So with the doc.type HTML, same thing, and I'm giving as taskmaster to do app, and for the script src I am linking to the tailwind css.com, and I have given the script for the primary colors and main.js for my module. So this is a basic structure. So copy this. Once you are done with this, we have to create some components inside the thing. So here I'll create some files. Add task form.jsx. JSX is JavaScript extension. Then I have sidebar.jsx. Then I have task item.jsx. Then I have task list.jsx. Then the hooks part. In the hooks we will have the useLocalStorage.js, and in pages we will have dashboard. And in the utils part we need to have three files, that is No, not 3, it's just one. So rename as task details.js. Yes. So now let's start with add task form. So we have import these things first, then write a function for add task form. Then we have the const for handling the submit. Then we have on add task. So we should have an on add task for adding the new task. Then we'll have a const handle change. We'll have a const handle change. Then if not open, write this if not open. Then we will have return. Make sure the indentations are correct. Then we have modal. Then after this we have on submit form. Then we will have a description. Then we will have a priority as high, low or medium. Then after this we have a due date. So I'm adding this due date. Then after this we have a reminder time. Then we have a submit button. So once this is done, we have to close our form, div tags and other tags. Yeah, I have closed all. Then we'll write as export default task form. Till here if you have done, you have completed with add task form.jsx. Then next we have is sidebar. So we have a sidebar here for showing. See here, like we had something like this, right? Sidebar. So for this we are writing the code now. Open your sidebar, import these things, then define const sidebar, active filters on filter change, like what and all you need: dashboard, all task, pending task, completed and overdue. So you can see dashboard, all task, pending, completed and overdue. Those things are visible here. When you click on that, it will be showing you that specific dashboard thing. Okay, so for that I have used that. Then you have to return. Once you are done with this, return. Then create a nav, open. I've opened the nav here and close. Don't close this button, just copy till here. Return, but open the button and close it here. That's all. So once this is done, we'll have a div class. Below this, open a div class and close. open a div class and close the button and close the div which is needed. Once this is done, we have one more div. I'm opening it as here as the settings, and I'm closing the button, and I'm giving export default slide bar. Once this is done, we have a task item. So task item, I'll give the code. Import these specific things first, and define the const. And const overdue and const priority. Make sure the indentations are correct. And then we have const handle cancel, const handle change, then if is editing, then we have text area, then class name, open a new div with a class name grid, then one more div, then one more div with the class, another class name for reminder times. Then finally, after all this, paste this. You can copy. Once this is done, we have to return the things now. Return till copy till here. Then we have task content. After that we have priority badge. Then we have task meta information, task reminder, then we have actions buttons, and we have to close the divs. Then after this we have action buttons and close the divs. Finally we'll have export default task item. Nice. Once this is done, we'll go with task list. So task list is simple. So I'm importing this const task list, and I have a filter, and I have a get filter for completed task, pending task, overdue task and all. Then header, search bar, sort and task list, sorted task dot maps and task items, and we have export default. So you can anytime pause my video and copy this code. I think now you can able to copy this line also. Yeah, I'm giving sufficient time for copying. So once this is done, the next thing we have is use local storage. So I'll copy this and I'll paste this. You can copy this from my screen. You can pause the video and you can copy. Then I have dashboard.jsx. I am importing these things from Lucide React and import these things and use effect, state effect, and I'm having the const new data, state card, progress bar, and stats grid and progress overview, and everything should show in a card format. I'm having that, an upcoming task, and I'm having this export default dashboard. Pause my video and copy this code. I'll just move slowly once. How my dashboard should be there, I am just writing that code here. Once this is done, we have task utils. So task utils is simple thing. So math.random calculate everything. So we have digit and all, numeric digit, that this thing and all, local storage thing, and we have filter, overdue, and sort. Now we'll open the app.css. Just delete this file. Just delete that app.css and we'll have this app.jsx. In app.jsx, import these things, define the function app. So app should be functioning, then add the calculate the task count, how much task it should be, handle new task, set up reminder, handle toggling task function, handle deleting task, handle editing task, handle reminder if changed, set up reminder functionality, request notification permission on the app load, set up reminder for existing task on app load. Then we have handle filter for changing the sidebar, then handle view on the dashboard. Then the sidebar component, we are giving the functionality for that. Main content, top bar, everything will be included. Then we have page content and add task form. So we have given the functionality for all the files what we have written here. Then we'll have index.css. Just remove this, paste this. You can pause my video and you can copy this. I have defined everything clearly. It's a simple CSS, no complication, nothing. You can just copy this. Once this is done, open your main.jsx, paste this. So it is same as it is, and in your HTML we had done this. So once you are done with that, just go to your terminal, run as npm run dev. Okay, we have not installed this, so let's install this part. Come to your code, just install this. npm install lucid react uuid. Type this. So wait till the packages is installed. So it is installing, so please wait. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. So once this is done, so install this npm install -d tailwind podcast. So once this is done, just rerun your npm run dev. Yes, now you can see it is function perfectly working. So I'll open this. I will add something. d1 I add task. So you can see the things are getting added, and once you click on this and come back, you can see it is incompleted. Suppose if you delete this, you can see there is no task involved. So this is the video what we had to build. So again we'll meet in the next video. Thanks.